Here where puff puff dreams come through. If your puff puff has ever come out hard, angry, or looking like it went through stress, relax. Today we are making calm, smooth skin puff puff. No fighting with hot oil, no dark brown surprises, just peace and puff puff. Relax. Fresh yogurt here. Only two ingredients apart from flour and dry yeast. This is fresh cream and yogurt. Let's start. You are not going to add any milk, just fresh yogurt and cream. Any quantity you want, you add. But this is 3 teaspoons of fresh yogurt. This is cream. I added 3 teaspoons of fresh yogurt and 2 teaspoons of cream. So right now we are mixing the batter. Please, so mix gently because puff puff has feelings. Too much beating and it will show you pepper later. Yes. I added a saffron color. One teaspoon of dry yeast. So whilst we are mixing all the ingredients together, let me give you one verse of hymn. How sweet the name of Jesus sounds in a believer's ear. His salty sorrow heals his wound and drives away his fears. Wanana in Guanchefo Kotono in Guantamuan Eraza Wasem Eraza Eninyamine Yachashi Nazi Washenaba Suhin. Before the rice, everything must come together. Different ingredients, different stories, one purpose. Life also mixes us with challenges and lessons, not to confuse us, but to prepare us. This stage looks messy, but it matters. Nothing is clear yet. Nothing is perfect. Every stir is a lesson. Every pause is growth. Don't quit when life feels mixed. That is where learning begins. You can't skip this part. Before growth, life stirs you. It breaks comfort, blends experiences, and teaches you what you need before you are ready to rise. Watch closely. This is where patience starts. The quiet mixing, the unseen learning, the preparation before the rise. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all, a healing stream flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, the cross be my glory ever. I added butter so that it will taste good. I've already added one. Then I added. Right now, it's in the heat. Quiet, floating learning, not rush, not forced. Life is teaching the same way. Stay present, absorb the lesson, because this stage is shaping your rise. It's slowly and turning and quietly. You can hear. No rush, no panic, just process. Every second in the oil is teaching its balance, strength, and timing. Life does the same to us. Some lessons come with pressure, some with silence. But if you stay observed and keep learning, you won't burn. You will rise, float, and turn golden. This stage matters. Don't skip it. This moment looks simple, but it's powerful. It started soft, unsure, and ordinary. Now it's surrounded by heat, forced to change. It doesn't fight the process, it learns from it. Every turn teaches balance, every second builds strength. Life works the same way. The pressure you feel is not punishment, it's preparation. Stay patient, stay teachable, because when you allow the lesson to shape you, you won't just survive the heat. You will rise, float, and come out golden.
I love my puff puff small small. But if you are not comfortable, you can use your hand, then you put it inside them. But me, I love using this. I love using spoon to take so that I'll be fast and get a nice shape.
So we are still cutting before we fry it. Oil is hot but not angry. If the oil is shouting, your puff puff will panic. Keep calm. Yeah. Medium heat only. Drop gently. Don't throw it like you are angry at life. Oh. Hey, yo. So see it how turning by itself. That confidence, that smooth skin energy. Do you see it? Yeah. Golden brown soft. You can see after you see the how it will look like. So do you see how it's turning? Yeah, that's confident. You see, so smooth with skin energy. We are almost done. Golden brown soft. At this point, your neighbors should be smelling it. If they knock, pretend you are not home. Because you can see that just like that. Oh, puff puff, that is soft inside, smooth outside, and peaceful everywhere. Oh, kai. If your puff puff looks like this, congratulations, you have entered the puff puff hall of fame. Eat slowly or don't. We won't judge. And just like that, the lesson is complete. What learned in the heat shines at the end. This is what patience looks like. When it's done, stayed, learned, rose. The process finished. The purpose